Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Horizon 5 error code 0x0. Let's get started. First, if you encounter error code 0x0, try moving the game installation to another drive. For example, if the game is installed on the D drive, move it to the C drive and then restart your PC. Then uninstall and re-download Forza Horizon 5. After that, verify that your system meets the game's requirements. Then make sure your Windows is up to date. And finally, update your graphics drivers. Remember to restart your PC after completing these steps. That's it, guys. I hope this helps to fix your problem. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.